This is a lynx living in the Arctic. For it, the cold isn't the problem. Finding food is the real challenge. There's even a record of a lynx traveling over 3,000 kilometers in a single year just to fill its stomach. They rely almost entirely on one type of prey: snowshoe hares, which also live in the Arctic. Finding a snowshoe hare is not easy. Catching one is even harder. This hare spotted the lynx approaching and darted away. Lynxes don't have the stamina for a long chase. After just a few minutes, the first hunting attempt ended in failure. Lynxes need to eat every few days, so their search can't stop. Luckily, the lynx soon spotted another snowshoe hare. This time, it approached carefully. If the hare noticed it too early again, the lynx would go hungry. Fortunately, there were raised snow mounds nearby. They acted as cover, allowing the lynx to get closer without being seen. In the end, the lynx successfully caught the hare.
It'll die.